Hello guys, Rob here. The HODL token is here on Telos. This is the first video in a series of videos I'm going to make on creating your own token on Telos. It is the easiest token creation process I have ever seen using the VAPE Telos DEX, which was created through the worker proposal system. Here is the Telos coin I created, HODL HODL, and I want to share some of the current supply with you hodlers out there. There's 1 million HODL in the current supply, and this token is just for fun, guys. I created it just to explore the process of creating your own token on Telos, and in the upcoming videos I will show you how to do that. But if you are a hodler and you want some HODL tokens on Telos, I want to give you some. So just make sure you're subscribed to the channel, you like this video, and comment down below your Telos account name, and I will send you over some HODL tokens. They don't have any monetary value, but if you want to join the HODL gang and increase your HODL cred, you need HODL tokens. If you do not have a Telos account yet, check out the link in the description to this page, and you can get your free Telos account here for either desktop, mobile, or using the Telegram bot. These come with some RAM and some CPU and net stake to get you going. So if you don't have a Telos account yet, get one for free, and then pop it down into the comments below if you want to be sent over some HODL tokens. So this is just the first video in the series. Like I said, I will walk through the process of creating your own token on Telos. I want to say under a minute, maybe a couple minutes at most. It's really easy to do, and I will share that with you guys in the upcoming video. Now, right now, HODL is not listed on the VAPE Telos DEX, but it is just one click away from getting there. But like I said, these tokens are just for fun, just to show you are a hodler and increase your HODL power. But I was shocked how easy it was and how fast it was to create my own token on Telos. So make sure you subscribe if you are interested in creating your own Telos token or want to see the process. And check out the link in the description to this page to get your free Telos account if you don't have one yet, and pop it down into the comments of this video if you want me to send you over some HODL tokens. That's going to do it for this quick one, guys. I will see you in the next one.